Yes, it's morning, and it's actually like about, I don't know. Hey, oh no, that's not the right one. Right now I'm having breakfast. My breakfast consists of this stuff. Okay, and it's actually healthy. Don't watch, like, don't look at it, because this is, I don't know. Inside of it, it's cottage cheese, and it's so good. My mom like is the healthy freak. And also I have my tea down here. And I drink this every morning, but today I'm drunk, okay, because of it. Because I mean, it's so thick that you can't seriously drink it, okay. So I uploaded the last day's vloggy, and I don't know what is the thumbnail. Yeah, okay. And I've been told that I'm shaking whenever I do any videos, I mean many vlogs, because I was really shaking, but now I fixed all that stuff, so everything is okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to eat, and oh, it's actually 11:46 a.m. Bye. Комнату. Да, 2 штучки. So I'm about to eat right now, and I'm going to eat a soup, the red soup, our national traditional food soup. So yeah, basically that's it. And I like this soup. Bye. I'm about to film a tutorial, but I can't find a place where to film, because I need my camera in front of me, but like that way, like from the side actually, so that I'm looking like that way, but also like that way, and it's kind of hard, but I'm trying to find it, and I have actually an idea of where I want to place it, but I can't find a stand. I know the place where I want to film, and I also know the way I want to film and everything, that stuff, but I have a problem. So that's the place, that's the mirror that I want to film, but I have here that stuff, and when I open it, you see, I want to place my camera somewhere here, but if I film here and I close it, you won't see me, so that's the problem. And oh, hello there. Hey. No, okay. So I was trying to make a stand. Wait a second. So I was trying to make a stand like that one, and I tried to put this one on that one, and I feel like my camera will fall all the time, so I was trying to do like that, and it was falling, not the camera but the chair. And then I went here in the balcony. Don't look at all that stuff, you know, it's Granny's. And then I found that stuff. So if I put this on top of the chair that is on top of the other chair, it will be actually high, and it will be high enough. But if I put this stuff on that stuff, it will fall immediately. So I don't know what to do. So yeah, I think I'll just try to find a way, but I don't guarantee. So bye. So guys, it's afternoon. Oh no, wait. Afternoon. Sorry, it's evening, and I'm editing the vlog. Yeah, so I wanted to just finish and say goodbye to you. I just finished my lessons, and I usually don't do them on Saturdays. I do them in the last moment, okay, because I don't really like to do my lessons. So anyways, who does? I don't know what to say. So I'm sorry if this part of the video is kind of different, because I changed a few settings in the camera, so I don't know how will this turn out in the clip. But anyways, that's it. Hope you had a nice day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!